Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a non-profit marketing plan with Charity Navigator. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by defining your non-profit's mission and vision. Clearly articulate the purpose of your organization. Identify your target audience. Understand who you want to reach with your marketing efforts. Research your audience's demographics and interests. Analyze your current marketing strategies and their effectiveness. Evaluate what has worked in the past and what hasn't. Set specific goals for your marketing plan. Determine what you hope to accomplish within a specific time frame. Choose your marketing channels strategically. Decide which platforms and methods will effectively reach your audience. Develop your key messages. Craft clear and compelling messages that resonate with your audience. Create a content calendar. Plan your content in advance to maintain consistency and engagement. Incorporate Charity Navigator metrics into your plan. Utilize Charity Navigator to assess your nonprofit's transparency and accountability. Highlight your organization's strengths based on Charity Navigator's ratings. Plan specific campaigns around these key metrics. Allocate your budget wisely. Determine what resources you have available for your marketing efforts. Monitor your progress regularly. Schedule check-ins to evaluate the effectiveness of your strategies. Adjust your plan as necessary based on performance data. Gather feedback from your audience to enhance future campaigns. Engage with your supporters to foster community and loyalty. Document your process and results. Keep records of what works and what doesn't for future reference. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.